Hey, welcome to another Gourmet Fishing Info Short. I'm your host, David Murray. Check this apparatus we've got out right here. This is going to help us create our surf and turf burger. Yes, we're going to take some of our scraps from our dry aged ribeye roast, and we're going to turn that into our own hamburger meat. But before we can get our surf and turf burger out to the planetary population, we do have a little business to take care of. So why don't we go ahead and get that started by rolling the open. Our surf and turf burger, well, that's going to begin by us creating our own ground beef. And we're going to do that by using the little scraps and bits and pieces that was left over when we trimmed up our 45-day dry-aged ribeye roast. We also used the two end pieces, trimmed those up, and check this out. We have about a pound of unbelievable and flavorful pieces of dry aged beef. And I'm looking, I don't know exactly what the ratio is going to be, but I think it's going to be close to an 80-20 blend of the fat and the meat, which is, for me, that's perfect for a burger. So I tell you what, we're going to come in, we're going to add a little bit of salt, not a lot, to our beef pieces. I'm going to come in, I'm going to add just a tad of pepper. Again, not a lot. We don't want to overpower anything. And then right here we've got a little bit of granulated garlic, which is gonna kind of kick it just a tad. Now we're gonna come through, I'm just gonna toss these together, try not to make too much noise with my ring, just like that. Okay, I think we're ready to begin grinding our meat. So let's get our KitchenAid with our attachment back on, and we are just about ready to begin creating. Now, there's a heck of a drop. So I'm going to come over and grab one of our little containers right here. And all this is going to be is our ground beef catcher. So we've got our plate. So our meat's going to come out. Oh, God, I can't wait for that. So now it's time to begin adding our meat up to the top. Yes. What I'm going to try to do is alternate meat and fat pieces as we get going. So there we go. Now it's time for us to begin grinding. Yes. Oh yeah, check that out. Oh man, yes ma'am, check it out. Yes sir. Looking good. Woo! Yes. Oh, you can smell that dry age too. Oh my. Just like so. Oh yeah. Yum yum. I can't wait. Pair this thing up with a nice shrimp. Grill everything up. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Yes, sir. Check it out. You're almost done. Come on now, get in there. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, so close to being done and so close for us to begin cooking. Yes, just like that. I think that's about all we can be able to get out of that. Right? Yep, it is. There we go. Oh man, check that out. 45-day dry aged hamburger meat that we got from the trimmings of our ribeye roast. there it is. Now, I tell you what, we're going to take a quick little edit break and clean up, and we're going to get ready for our surf and turf burger. We've got everything somewhat tidied up, so now it's time for us to begin the construction of our surf and turf burger. I tell you what, the first thing we're going to do, the surf part, we've got a couple of large shrimp, so we're going to get those prepared here real quick by marinating those in our garlic marinade that we make with our fish seasoning rub. So we're just going to come in here, give it a quick little squirt of our marinade, give these a little bit of a toss. They're fine. Leave those right there for about 5 or 10 minutes. We've got a couple of pickles. We're going to be messing with those here in a few minutes. Now it is time for us to begin making patties from our freshly ground hamburger meat. Yes, by all means. So I tell you what, I'm going to come in, I'm just going to grab me a handful. You know, this I've got about a pound of meat here, so I'm going to try to create a couple of quarter pounders. About 4 of them would be nice, wouldn't it? Oh man, wow, they're holding together well, just like so. Oh Lord, wow, I cannot wait. Oh, the smell, unbelievable. So there we are, just like, there's one, just like so. Put a little dent in the middle, that keeps it from, blowing up like you do when you eat a little too much, you know what I mean? So there's one, just like so. Now, when I was doing the 45-day dry aged video a while back, I talked about doing a black and blue surf and turf burger. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do just a plain burger. Now the black and blue would come down to use a little bit of our blackening rub as we were cooking, and then top it off with, and I would recommend y'all getting some of the best blue cheese on the planet, and that's Clemson blue cheese. I tell you what, I will leave a link down below in the description on how you can get you some of that. I tell you, that stuff is unbelievable. It really is. Now, okay, we've got 2 burgers. I think that's all I'm going to make right now. That's about all I can eat. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and put the rest of our burger meat in a vacuum bag and keep that for later. So look at that. Oh man, those things are awesome. Yes. So, okay, are you ready? Are you ready? So it's time. I know I'm ready. It is time to cook. So we've got our grill on. It's on high. I have oiled the grate, but we're going to come in here right now. Oh, look at that. Listen to that. Woo, yes. Put our burgers on just like so. Oh, yes. We don't need any salt. Well, I take that back. Always need some salt, don't you? But we've got pepper, and we've got a little bit of our garlic powder that was already in there. We did that a few minutes ago. Looks like we can have a little bit of a flare up here. Just one of those things. That's just part of cooking with heat and fat. So here we go. You ready? Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, how about that? Oh, those are holding together great. Oh my goodness. Oh, you kidding me? Yes, awesome. Just like that. We are so close to being complete with our burger. Time for another flare up, but this will be the last flare up for the burgers because they are just about done. I'm going to take them out, put them on a plate, let them rest for a few minutes, and they'll continue to cook a little bit with the residual heat. And I'm looking for about a medium to medium rare doneness. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh son, wow, just like that. Oh goodness, yes. Oh, perfecto, perfectamundo. Oh, and you can smell that 45-day dry age aroma. Oh yeah, that, cannot wait for that to happen. Now, we are gonna come in here and cook our shrimp. And what I've done, we did put it in marinade, but I took the tails off. Usually I like to leave the tails on when I'm doing certain things, but this is going to be inside a burger, and I don't think we want to eat our tails. So here we go. This is going to happen very quickly, cook-wise. Again, it doesn't take time at all to cook shrimp on the grill. So I bet we probably have a minute on each side, 2 minutes at the most. All right, let's get our shrimp out just like so. Oh yeah, those look great. Now, it's about time to plate. What I'm gonna do with my shrimp is I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna cut them in half flat ways, I guess we would say, just like so. So they will sit a little easier on, well, they're a little warm, believe it or not. I guess because they just came off the heat. So know that when we do it this way, they will sit on that burger a little easier. So we've got that done. Now it's time to begin plating, and then after that it'll be time to eat. Now, got a hamburger bun. These, I did not make these. If you want to take a look, I'm not sure which way that little thing comes up, but I will leave a link up there so you can see how we can make our own buttery hamburger buns. Now we're going to come in with our burger just like so. Oh wow. Then we're going to come in with our shrimp like so. Oh, wow, check that out. How was that? Oh my. I tell you what, now you can come in here. We'll get us a couple of pickles. Now I love pickles, so we're gonna add a nice little batch here. Now you can sauce this however you want, a béarnaise sauce, hollandaise sauce. I'm gonna come in here with a little pad of our citrus herb butter that is gonna add great depth and flavor to our burger. But hey, there it is. How about that? That is our surf and turf burger. Please give it a shot. I tell you what, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click that notification bell so you'll know the instant we upload anything new to the channel. Hey, if you do like the video, give it a little thumbs up and please leave us some comments. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, where, as usual, I always say, we have 2 T's in Gourmet, just one of those things we had to do. And we do have a link below. We got 2 links below. One is for that great Clemson blue cheese you can try. The other is the recipe for you to download. So, I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon. Okay, get Spider. All right. So, here we are. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Drink, drink, drink. Send that out to my cousin Zach. Gin and tonic. Makes everything better. Anyway, yeah, I'm thinking about getting a couple of dogs. Name one gin, the other tonic. I don't know. It just popped in my head. That was stupid. Anyway. So, all right, let's see.